Hello guys, welcome back to We Dream Together. Today I have decided to visit a place called Aira Force Waterfall. So I just arrived to the place. It's a very beautiful place. So let's explore the place together while we are heading to the falls. So let's go guys. So this is the gym. Go this way. Today we have a very beautiful sunny day. I can say it's a beautiful sunny day today. So now I'm heading to the waterfalls in Aira Force. They have beautiful bridges around. Look at this, how beautiful the place. The one is coming from up there going down. Go up. So now going up. Look how beautiful the place, guys. So now I'm about to reach the falls. So this side you need to be very careful because the place looks a bit dangerous this side. So you need to be very careful and watch your step. So yeah, we are getting closer to the waterfalls. I think a couple of meters will be on the waterfall. Like I said, this is Aira Force Waterfalls. I can start to hear the sound of the water, meaning we are very close to the waterfall. So yeah, I can see few people around already. It's in the morning, guys, around just after 10 a.m. in the morning. So here it's very deep, so you need to watch your step. So let's get close to the waterfall. All right. Look how high is this place, guys. Right. Welcome. Right. So this is the actual waterfall. As you can see, guys. Look how beautiful is the place. You can actually go up there and get a clear view from the top there, so I'll try to go there and get a view from there as well. So yeah guys, this is, as you can see, how beautiful it is. House, beautiful. So the water actually comes from up here, go underneath and comes down here. So let's try to view it from the top. So now I'm actually going up. I need to show you the view from the top. So this is where I was down there. The falls actually coming from there. So I'll try to go up there and give you a view from that angle. You see how it looks. So yeah, a lot of people are actually coming, as you can see guys. You're welcome. Right, so we go up. Let's see from here how it looks. So this is it here. It's actually beautiful. So let me give you a small history about this place. So the air at Aira Force doesn't just sit still, it vibrates, tucked away near the shores of water. This isn't just a waterfall, it's a living cathedral of stone and spray. Alright. Again, after a heavy Cumbrian rain, the deck transforms, the gentleness of summer vanishes, replaced by a thunderous, white-named beast that shakes the roots of the ancient Douglas fir. Alright, so that is it guys. So I'll try to go up there and give you a view from the top. So let's go. So guys, just after Aira Force Waterfalls, there's this beautiful next, just a few miles, like less 4 miles away from Aira Force, you find this beautiful place. You can even come and have your lunch here. You get a nice parking around here. You park your car, you relax. This is what you're going to see here when you arrive to this place. It's called Raleigh Bridge. So this is a bridge here, Raleigh Bridge. Raleigh Bridge. I think I'm pronouncing it well. So just near the bridge, You get the restaurant and bar, as you can see, guys, there, which is beautiful, and the docks around. So let's walk across the bridge and see what's there now. So let's go, guys. Done? Big parking here.
Lake cruises.
So this is some of the activities you get in here. Sailing from Pule Bridge. Oh, it's called Pule Bridge. Pule Bridge. Okay. Lake cruise. Ice water as well, as you can see here, guys. And the dates is all listed here. So let's check the bridge and the small town. See how it is. Right. So this is the view on the bridge. So you leave your car at that side, then you just cross over the bridge. You have restaurants there, as you can see. Crown Inn. Beautiful, guys. Look at this place. So yeah, let's see how it is. Right, another car park there, just across the road. Sunny side car park all day, £4. Okay. Pule Bridge. All right. The Pule Millennium Fish Cross. All right. Look how it is. Okay. On the other side, they have more restaurants, as you can see here. So let's try to see what's in here. Robinsons. The town is quite quiet and beautiful. Sunny Inn, a lot of restaurants around. Let's see what's up there. get ice creams here in this small shop. We have a church here, St. Paul's Church. So the village continues going up on the hills there. All right, let's go back, guys. I think that's it.